presentation was talking about the historical figures that have to do with slavery on Aruba. And my thing was, well, there isn't a lot to say about slavery on Aruba because much more research has to be done. But I spoke and I used, especially work from Luke Olaf and also from Arimatis, because those are the two people who have actually done anything with the literature in terms of Aruba and slavery or Aruba history in that sense. The thing is, the Spanish called the islands useless islands, right? But when they started the colonization of these islands, the colonization of Aruba was done from Curacao. So you know, a lot of the people who came over, the settlers, to settle Aruba came from Curacao. And Aruba was like the housemaid of Curacao, right? So Aruba was doing things for Curacao, or not for Aruba. And Aruba did not have a plantation economy, like Suriname had a plantation economy. Aruba didn't have that. Aruba was more dealing with animals, horses. Slavery was not a big thing in Aruba because it wasn't a plantation economy. And because there wasn't a lot of work to be done by enslaved people on Aruba, more was done in Curacao. So Curacao had more enslaved persons and more trade persons, sailors, carpenters, masons, housemaids, and all that. Aruba had less because there was less to do on Aruba. Aruba was more the piracy. The bandits were hanging out in Aruba. Like Berona said, the people were going to fight wars and come back and the rest in Aruba. And then they decided to go again. So the buccaneers and the pirates were more fun than Aruba.
What was the first people on the island of Aruba?
The so-called Indians. They were the first people on Aruba. Well, some people say they came from Venezuela. Some say they came from the north, down from the other islands and came here. But most of the things they said they come from Aruba, Venezuela and Colombia. The Arawak, the Taninos, and the Cacateos.